So if your mind is constantly full of thoughts that you feel are controlling your life, then stick around because I'm going to offer 3 therapeutic strategies that you could use to stop your thoughts from controlling you. So here's one fact about thoughts that you're going to have to get for any of these strategies to work. And that fact is this: your thoughts are not literal truth. Nobody said they were literal truth. Your thoughts are just the ramblings of a mind in a unique situation with a unique life history and a specific perspective. They are biased and they arise in the mind spontaneously. You see, the problem with treating your thoughts literally is that you are confined by them. You have to then behave in ways that are congruent with that thought. But once you realize that your thoughts aren't necessarily truth, you don't have to swim downstream with them. You can stand on the riverbank and from that detached perspective, think about whether these thoughts are serving you and whether these thoughts would be the best things to be controlling your behavior. I mean, choose any subject in the world, religion, politics, or anything else really, and you'll realize that people have radically opposing views, radically opposing thoughts on these matters. So it doesn't take long to figure out that your thoughts aren't necessarily true. So now that you know that, here are 3 strategies from acceptance and commitment therapy with a bonus strategy at the end that is guaranteed to help you stop being controlled by your thoughts in just 30 seconds. The first strategy is to name your mind. If you give your mind a name, you can start to take those thoughts that arise as suggestions and not the truth. Strategy 2 is to do something that intentionally opposes your thoughts. So try to think something like, I can't stand up, and then stand up anyways. This slowly gets you used to the idea that your thoughts aren't necessarily the truth. The third strategy involves singing a thought. You could choose any tune, for example, Happy Birthday. If you have the thought that I am worthless, you could try singing that to the tune of Happy Birthday. I am worthless, I am worth. And this one may seem ridiculous, but just give it a try and see how literally you take that thought after your song. And finally, the bonus tip involves a research study that found that just saying out loud a thought for 30 seconds is enough to defuse you, to take you out of that thought. So next time you have a thought, try saying that thought out loud for 30 seconds as fast as you can. And after those 30 seconds, according to this research, you're almost guaranteed to have that thought influence you a bit less. So there you are. Now, go be your own therapist.